Today, I'm going to show you how you can add privacy to your windows using one-way mirror film. I'm going to explain how it works, how it installs, and answer all of the commonly asked questions. One-way mirror film, also known as two-way mirror film or privacy film, can be applied to glass to turn it into a one-way mirror. Unlike typical mirror films, which are too transparent, high reflectance one-way window film provides both daytime and nighttime privacy. Hi, I'm Jessica, mirror geek with two-way mirrors. Every day, we help clients looking for transparent mirrors, whether it be to hide their television, create smart mirrors, do teleprompting, and of course, to help them add privacy to their windows. To enhance window privacy, the most effective and affordable solution is the application of reflective film. Once applied, the film will make the exterior side of the glass a mirror, preventing vision through the glass, while maintaining the view from inside. While many window films deliver a bit of daytime privacy, if you're looking for full daytime privacy and nighttime privacy, you'll need a high reflectance film, like this one. What is one-way mirror film? It's a thin poly material that incorporates several layers to control different properties, such as UV light, heat, glare, and privacy. While enhancing privacy, it also makes windows more energy efficient by reflecting the sun's rays. It's also easier on the eyes and prevents the bothersome glare on televisions and computer screens. Here's some of the top questions that we get from our clients. Can it be cut as needed to fit windows? Yes, it's easily cut with scissors or a utility blade. Typically, the film is cut slightly larger than the glass, so you can trim it during installation for the perfect fit. Is it applied to the inside or the outside? It's applied to the inside of the window. Can it create privacy between two rooms? Yes, and typically you'll want to order a directional one-way mirror film, which is similar to the maximum privacy film, but one side isn't reflective. Is it the same as auto tint? Tint for cars is a lot more transparent to comply with the tint laws, which aren't allowed to be too dark or reflective for safety reasons. As a result, car window tint isn't nearly as effective for creating complete privacy. Can it be applied to acrylic or polycarbonate? It works best on glass, but if you don't mind some bubbling, it can be applied to plastic as well. How hard is it to install? It's easy to install, if you know how. I'll leave you the step-by-step instructions so you can easily install window film at your home. Can I hide a TV or a monitor with it to create a smart mirror? Yes, but you'll want to use one of our lighter films, not our maximum privacy film. I'll leave you all the links below to those options. A ton of people ask, how can it work at night? The answer is simple. For many homes, there's a lot of street light, which creates glare. Additional glare is easy to add with a solar-powered light, which is available at any hardware store or Walmart. I'm also going to give you pro-level tips on how to add additional privacy to your window. By using window film combined with simple lighting techniques, you can create complete privacy. How else can I create window privacy? There are several ways to accomplish window privacy. The most common is frosted film, which works great if you don't need to see through it. One-way mirror film is preferred by most because you can see out from the inside, keeping an eye on deliveries, strangers, and potential bad guys. I'm going to leave you a link below to all of the various options available for transparency and color, as well as a link to a price calculator in case you need it urgently. One-way mirror film is used in a ton of creative applications. I'm going to go over some common installations besides residential privacy where the film works great. In between offices, this is perfect for when somebody inside of an office, such as a manager, wants to be able to see out, but they don't want the entire faculty to be able to see what they're doing. We offer special film on our website that's directional, meaning it's transparent from one side and reflective from the other. While it doesn't offer as high privacy as our maximum security film, directional film works great when both sides have equal lighting and full privacy is not required. Schools also use this for security and privacy purposes. Two different common uses of it are, in a daycare, the supervisors like to be able to keep a discreet observation of the staff and also allow visiting parents to observe their kids without distracting them. In high schools, the film is often turned around so teachers can see out, but intruders can't see in. Sometimes combined with ballistic glass or plastic, it can add an additional layer of security in case of a school shooting. Dance studios benefit from directional one-way mirror film. Parents can sit in the lobby and watch their kids while they can see their own reflection. One-way mirror film works great for store security, providing managers with discreet observation of employees and thieves. The thieves never know if they're being watched or recorded. We offer directional one-way mirror film, which is great for smart mirrors and infinity mirrors to create a reflection that goes on into infinity. I've left you the links below to our other videos showing you how you can use it. And you can also check our website, infinitymirror.com. And of course, the most classic portrayal of the one-way mirror film is for jails and interrogation rooms. One-way mirror film is commonly used in comedy shows and candid camera shows. Shows such as Big Brother and Couples Therapy have camera crews behind one-way mirrors, filming the contestants from multiple angles. They typically use one of our beam splitters or smart mirrors to ensure a flawless recording clarity through the mirror. The classic example of one-way mirrors is in the movies where there's a police lineup. What a lot of people don't realize is that in the movies and on TV, the producers will literally swap in and out a regular mirror with a completely clear piece of glass. This is done to give it the illusion that it's a one-way mirror. This has to be done for a variety of different reasons, with the primary reason being that they can film through with absolutely crystal clear picture quality. And the other reason for this is that a lot of productions are done last moment, and no one realizes that they can just go get this film and add it to their window at any time. But it's totally possible to do, and it's actually super easy to install. In the police lineup scenario, you have suspects in a bright room with a light above them to illuminate the suspect and create a lot of glare on the surface of the one-way mirror. Meanwhile, the investigators are standing in a dimly illuminated observation area. What if the one-way mirror is too transparent? You'll just have to dim the lights. You'll need to dim the lights on the suspect side and brighten the lights on the observation side. If it is reversed, then the suspects can see into the observation side. And this is simply the laws of physics coming into play. The way that you can kind of get around that and offer a high level of privacy is simply by increasing the reflectivity as well as how dark the film is. Now let's take a look at some windows with and without privacy film installed. Let's take a look at our privacy film. See how it's super dark compared to the cheap one-way mirror film? The standard film features just a touch of reflectivity, which is fine if you just want daytime privacy. But if you're aiming for full privacy day and night, you'll want a very reflective, dark film like this. The films with less reflectivity are perfect for areas within a home where you still want to have a ton of natural daylight coming in, while still giving that extra touch of security. While they're not as good at night, they still offer quite a bit of security, especially when combined with exterior lighting. Alternatively, shades or blinds can be used at night with a high transparency film. A ton of people ask, how do I increase the lighting outside of the home at night? The solution to this is very simple. You can make this happen without rewiring your house or hiring an electrician. Solar and battery-powered security lights are easily available from Walmart, Amazon, Home Depot, and other stores for extremely low prices. Most can be easily installed just above the window or out in a yard. Outside lights will create sufficient glare to provide privacy at night. You can even do this with the darker film to make it even harder to see through. What else can you do to add even more security to your windows? In addition to adding security lights, you could also add in some motion detecting lights. Where can you find the security lights as well as the motion detecting lights? You can find both super cheap on Amazon, and I'll leave you the links below to my favorites. Another popular option for rooms where you don't need to be able to see out of the windows, such as a closet, is the frosted film or pattern film. The frosted film or pattern film adds a lot of style, while simultaneously allowing a lot of diffused light to get through and giving you 100% privacy. I've left you the links below to some of my favorite frosted window films, or hit up our website, twowaymirrors.com, for more details. What if you want no light passing through your window? We have the answer for that as well: opaque films. These will block out 100% of the light, making sure that your room stays dark. This is great for people who work night shift and have no choice but to sleep during the day. It's also great for other scenarios where you're trying to reduce light within a room. For example, the light coming from the windows could be creating too much illumination on one side, and you're trying to balance the lighting in the room for photography. This is another perfect example of when you would want to use a completely opaque black film to get rid of the glare. Alternatively, opaque mirror films can be used to create a double-sided mirror. Another great benefit to any one-way mirror film is that it protects you and your belongings from harmful UV rays. Did you know that UV rays can fade your carpet and furniture? Not to mention the bad health effects from UV radiation. Adding reflective mirror film on your windows reduces the amount of absorbed solar heat by reflecting it back outside. This is a great money saver, especially in parts of the world with a lot of sun. If you enjoyed this video and have any questions, leave a comment below or shoot me an email. Are you interested in learning more about one-way mirrors and how they work? If so, punch that subscribe button in the face! Stay tuned for the next part of this video, because I'm going to show you how to install the film and exactly what tools that you'll need to make it easy. Until next time, I'm Jessica with Two Way Mirrors, and I'll see you in my next video.